See, this is some bullshit right here. This is the second and third time I done turned my damn TV off, and this national fucking emergency alert shit keeps coming on, making me watch some shit that I don't want.
Gotta figure out a way to defeat that.
And then it's gonna switch the channel from my son watching his cartoons to the fucking news. And it keeps doing it no matter how many times I turn this TV off and the cable box. I even tried to unplug it. CBS. CBS is doing this shit. It's getting on my fucking nerves, CBS.